Hi, my name is Megumieda. Welcome to Punk Mom Ballet Online. This is a class for everybody, not just for dancers, for everybody. So you all welcome to join me. This class is not like a normal ballet class. I designed it to a little bit differently, quite differently, different structures. So if you're looking for just to sweat or just doing like a textbook ballet, then you shouldn't take my class. But of course, I want you to take my class, but it's a little bit different. This class is about 45 minutes. Sometimes it's longer, sometimes it's shorter. The class is divided by 5 sections. So this triple time walk is what I think is just getting used to the space in classical ballet world. Second part is a body conditioning for your core muscle, also waking up your body parts. I want to introduce what I do before normal ballet class and performance. Basic ballet exercise. This is the most typical ballet thing. We start with plie and end with grand battement. I don't do whole thing, and each class I explain a little bit. And then this is the fun part. We all learn the choreography, not just about technique or not about the step. I want to share the feeling and the artistic part of the ballet. Then finally, this freestyle dancing is use your creativity, celebrating what you did whole class. So I started this class March 19th, some live stream on Facebook, which is 3 days after Berlin shut down. And I'm gonna be using the recorded from that day. And so footage quality is not that great, but I prefer because it was a live and I like the feeling of full rounded class.